Nice job, man. Oh, I eat him.
I'll eat him.
Smart ass fucker. What kind of beard you got?
I don't even know.
I seen that either. I said I ain't giving you a chance to.
Ooh, damn, that broke his shit off. He ain't going nowhere. Congratulations.
Thank you, man. Well, you finished it.
I seen your gun spin this way and I seen it doing this. I was like, oh crap, he sees that bird.
Yeah.
And then I seen him.
Yeah, he come out. I seen his head. He's coming around this way, and he's come back this way, so I went on him.
You see what kind of beard he got. Damn, my gun jammed.
He ain't got a great one, but he got one.
That's an old bird. That is an old bird.
Yeah, look at his spurs.
Yeah, that's a good bird. I'm probably inch and 8.
Yeah, I got. I suck. When he jumped up, I knew I hit him. Because he come right back down there, and I was trying to get another shot at him, and I couldn't.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you, man. Thank you for calling him up.
That's fun.
We worked for this sucker, though.
Yep.
Yep, we worked for this sucker.
That's a wrap.